the crazy shit that we encounter on an event night.
This dude's twirling fire.
Sorry. Oh my god, this is so terrifying.
Oh, we're moving now. Hey guys, welcome to today's episode of Scrapeyard. Today we're riding around on mopeds after the drift event. We'll reel it back to before the drift event, but holy shit, I can't see anything.
Hello again, YouTube. It's our day 2 of the drift event. Steve left hours ago. Like, I think 20 minutes after he left, I woke up. Chance packed this car up, even though we're gonna go drive it more today after we fix his bolts. What's wrong with your car right now?
You know, we're just out there giving it the beans as you do.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden it started making some pig noises.
Pig noises.
The turbo gasket just decided to leave me, I think.
Yeah.
Or at least the bolts are loose.
I'm apparently getting somewhat knowledgeable about these cars. I reached my hand in there and I felt it and I knew exactly what it was. And Jesse had a turbo gasket laying around, the T3, but it was the factory. Iowa, things are happening in Iowa right now. My car will not go into gear. So the thing I need to address in the morning, because I'm gonna drive that shit home tonight or tomorrow, is figure out this clutch. And I'll talk more about that in a little bit. So those are the Nissan problems. The Nissan boys are happening. Oh yeah, and Steve's, I don't know, something in his angle kit's wrong that made him crash yesterday, so he's trying to fix that. Danilo, how's the Toyota treating you? Fuck you.
I can't complain.
He was ripping as usual. I guess if you had to find something wrong, it's that chunk out of the wheel. But if that's your only thing you're dealing with, you're pretty fortunate.
The exhaust hanger popped off.
Yeah, that was hilarious.
It was just great.
Yeah, I had to stop the whole day for that.
I need to get another hanger because it actually ripped out of the hole.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Just do a hose clamp over it for now.
True. No, I actually flipped it around, so like, you know how like the exhaust hangers have 2 holes and the center's cut out? So I just put it into the center.
Nice.
Yo, shout out to Jesse.
Yeah, check it out.
Wow,
brand new. This ain't even that ain't even that shit you can get off Amazon. This is the Nissan part right there.
Nice.
God mode. So we're gonna run over to the track. We're just waiting on Abby right now, and then yeah, here we go. Yeah, looks so nice on camera, but these boys are looking rough today. Yeah, so Steve had an issue. I think it's with the offset spacer. You see how it pushes that tie rod forward like that? I think it must have stripped or something with the rack and shit. So here we are. We're out here day 2. Let's see if this car moves. Oh! Pump! 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 Pump!
Channeling inner Chunkachu. We got Chunkachu out here getting me for sure.
How you feeling about this, Chance?
My leg hurts, man.
Hey, you're low on fluid, wait a minute.
Cedar Rapids has a really good bubble tea spot. This isn't a good example, but you can see that thing down there is filthy, but this is how this is supposed to look. It's like supposed to look like a nice beer consistency, like a little bush latte. That car's making a lot of scary sounds, and then insert this fucking horrible video of this. sucks. It still drives straight.
I don't know how. I'm gonna have to like.
We're gonna assess this week in Omaha. We think the Diffie's got some junkies in it.
I don't know, it sounds like
Sounds like a welded diff to me, Tim. I was like, fucking send her home, boys. All right, I'm gonna grab that.
What's that one movie or that show where all the girls wear red stuff like this?
Handmaid's Tale. This car can wait because this is what's happening here.
The headlight bracket. You want to readjust and we can pull this way?
I know. It's time to wrap up because you just broke. I just broke. T-Man got hit. Tony broke. Steve's broke. Chance is broke. It's time to go home. Kick it out while he's pulling.
Can you hold this up?
Careful of that.
I can't hit it where anywhere useful. It's up there.
I'm gonna put heavier weight oil in this and go drifting.
Does what you want.
What's up, internet? I'm here with the penis pump supplied by Carl Hammer. We're gonna throw an AEW 90 GL5 that we don't know if it's right, but it's a bigger number than the 7590 that was in it. And hope that the howling stops. It won't. So
I brought 2 shirts for a reason.
let me see. Jam that shit on there.
Yeah. Did you do the look?
All right. Sick, dude. Look at that. With the thighs. Hi, Chance. No, wait. It's Steve. Fuck. I gotta call Chance. What's up? Thank you for filming. I appreciate it. We're gonna do basically Group A and Group B back there for this Senpatsu competition. We're looking for who can get the best entry into track, transition, and onto the wall. So on this, you can see we want them to enter at this wall, clip down to that cone, and then drag it all the way out here. Yeah, like that. The conditions are a little wet right now, so it's kind of tough. Yeah, Brent got the right idea. Yeah! All right, Tony, this is group number 2. Woo! Let's go! Yes! Yeah! 1 minute left. Wow, team! This is the finals of our Senpatsu competition. We chose the best 7 drivers. No! Oh my God!
He stepped on the gas and the whole roof shifted.
We have decided a winner. The driving today,
We had to pick you.
it was so difficult.
to like decide.
Even choosing
We're
the
like
second
the
heat.
fucking FD judges up there like, oh, Josh and Dan, they put the prize money up for you guys, so we'll let them announce the winner. All right, so You guys made it really freaking hard. I didn't have the no, but this was awesome. Like all you guys that participated, like I didn't think we were gonna get that many, so like this was sick. But anyways, in second place, we got Matt. And for the winner, we got Alex.
Alex, where are you from?
North Carolina.
Holy shit, well deserved, man. Seriously.
15 hours.
I got another drink. I have to go dump this used oil out, and I'm gonna go test drive the diff to see if it's drivable. Yeah, Tony. Here we are in the boat, the JZX. We're sitting here trying to figure out, well, the diff, I don't know.
Torsen diff?
Torsen diff, yeah, that's the word. Yeah, get that shit. Oh my God, Danilo, good fucking God.
That's
dude.
what I'm saying, dude. What it just opens up like that.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Right.
God damn, that was scary. It's like on and off.
Yeah,
that's so weird. All right, kids, here's your PSA. Weld your diff. Because my diff was howling like the hounds, but guess who drifted all day in the rain? So Danilo seems to have gotten this down. That time it was really, really icy. I think this diff still sucks. It's time for a weld it. But we look up and Tony, we hopped in a line behind him, and I think Tony got booped. So maybe if they pull up next to us on grid, we'll see.
The clean side.
I knew it. That sucks, bro. I mean, that's fixable. We can put a basketball in there and inflate it.
Just do it on the other side too.
Are you sad?
A little bit, but I'm really sad that my car's not working.
Adam does spin a lot, so Cole told you so.
All right, so I think we're taking my car home tonight or tomorrow. I think we're gonna leave Jake's car here, right? But so I'm packing stuff in my car. Here's how it looks right now. Got those Pokemon cards. Got anything to say?
I had a great time. Thanks for a great event. Yeah. Truck doing burnout, car on trailer doing burnout as well at the same time.
Got a wheel and a tire, jug. Car did okay for the weekend. Not as good as I'd like, but you know, what do you know? First event in this car. Had a little accident.
Well, I left the S13 in Cedar Rapids, so if you want to go steal it, I guess now's your chance. As you can tell, we're driving in Tony's S13, hoping for the best in the pouring rain, with Danilo leading us. So, I'm really hoping this is going to be the last update you need to hear from me. We're going to go back home and get a good night's rest. This weekend was actually incredible. Thank you all so much. All right, now it's not so bumpy. We're a little bit away from home. I'm hoping this is going to be the last update on this vlog episode. Everyone that came out, thank you so much. Look, there's Danilo. I love each and every one of you so much.
Bumpy on that road.
Yeah, it was ass. It was like, wow.
We're gonna go back on this really bumpy road. I'll talk about this when I get home. Peace.